First of all, I will introducing a program called the Mathematics Revision Program. Based on the current issue, most students are getting lazy to revise because they are too lazy to open the books. And that's why we create the program that called the Math Revision Program. Now, firstly, I will tell you about problem definition of this program. Our problem definition is program that help students to revise mathematics easily. This program also will enhance student interest to study mathematics in interactive way.
The first objective is make a convenience program for students. Students can have a flexible schedule and environment. By answering it online, students can choose their own learning environment that works best for their needs. Then, it also works as teacher helper. With this program, the teachers don't need to generate the question and calculate the marks. At the same time, it can reduce the errors in calculation of the marks. Lastly, it can increase student interest in mathematics. Using this program, it will make the students more enjoy to learn because they can know their score directly after completing answer the question that had been given.
This analysis is divided into three parts: input, process, and output. For input, users will enter their name and school. Then, they will choose a level based on their level of learning. There are two levels that they can choose from, level 1 and level 2. For the process, question will be shared by the program to the user so they can answer it, and the marks will also be taken based on the user's answer. Finally, the output data will be shown to the user. Is their name, school, and the level that has been filled in before the user start answering the question. The score will also be shown based on as many correct answers as possible.
So, this is for the main module. The program will be displayed. Do you want to start the program? Either yes or no. If user input yes, the program will start, but if the input no, the program will be end. User need to input their name, their school, and their level. If user choose level 1, the program will call functions level 1 and call the function of marks. If user choose level 2, the program will be repeated as same as level 1. But if neither level 1 or level 2 inputted, so the program will be displayed, your answer is not valid, please try again later. For user that inputted level 1 and level 2, after the program called the function level 1 or level 2 and the functions of marks, the program will call the function display data. And then after that, the program will display, do you want to continue the program? Either yes or no. If user inputted yes, so the process will be repeated. But if the user insert no, the program will be end.
In module level 1, the question is basically for standard 1, standard 2, and standard 3. The program will display the question first, then the user need to answer the question. If the answer is correct, they will move to the next question and 1 mark will be given. Otherwise, they have 3 attempts to answer the correct question. But if the answer is still incorrect for 3 times, they will move to the next question and no mark will be given for the incorrect answer. This process will continue until 10 questions are displayed. After finish answering the question, this module will return to the main module.
This is the pseudocode and the flowchart for the module level 2 in this program. After user choose the level, there will be shown question for the level they choose that have 10 total questions. They have 3 attempts for each question. If their answer is right, they will get 1 point for the variable count that's gonna be used later on other module. If their answer is wrong or even after 3 attempts, they will not get any point and just move to other question. After the final question, variable count will be returned to main module for further usage.
Module marks. This module is value return with parameter. The parameter is integer count and the return value is marks level 1 and marks level 2. First, we will read level. If level equal to level 1 and if count greater than and equal to 10, if true, marks level 1 will equal to count divide to 10 and times 100. If false, marks level 1 will equal to 0. Besides that, if level equal to level 2 and if count greater than and equal to 10 and if true, marks level 2 will equal count divide to 10 and times 100, and if false, marks level 2 will equal to 0. After of all that, the module will return mark level 1 and mark level 2.
Module display data. This module is the last module of this program. In this module, the program will display several output, each their name, school and level. This data has been taken based on the input above. Their marks will also be displayed based on the number of questions that has successfully answered.
So, the improvement that we can do to this program is include timer in this program for students to track their performance. As we know, students will be seated for the exam and the given time. So, they need to know how to manage their time wisely to answer all of those questions. Secondly, include abundance of questions module so that the student can answer various type of mathematics questions. As we know, the key to success in mathematics is doing abundance of exercise. So, inputting abundance of question module will help students to master in this subject.
So, based on the pseudocode and the flowchart for the program, this is the expected screen will be shown. The program name will be shown to user and also the detail of the username and their school. User also can choose level based on their standard and different question level will be shown and they need to answer all the questions.